Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Alright, so let's get into our first DIY. Looks like they're using some wood stain here on these little balls. And then we have a wooden bowl. She's also using the wood stain on that as well. And then gluing the little wooden balls all around. Oh, it's a nice decorative bowl. Very cool. And then we have this tissue box DIY. So she used some tape here. Wow. Oh, that is so cool and creative. And she also adds the wood stain to the box as well. Wood varnish, whatever you want to call it. That is so cute and aesthetic. So next up we have like some old cans. She painted them white and then added some gold foil. It looks like she's making, oh, like a jewelry organizer. That is so cute. I love the white and gold too. So aesthetic and pretty. So for this next DIY, we have what looks like maybe some old fan covers. So she uses a wooden piece in the center of that. Oh, she's painting it gold. She's making a light. Oh, a ceiling light. Wow. Okay, that is actually really cool. And of course, I love it because it's gold. So here she is using another one of those fans. Some cardboard. Oh, is she making another light for this one? Oh, wow. So yeah, she did another white. Wow, so she did another light there, and that one set on the wall, kind of like a wall sconce kind of feel. Very cool. Then we got some marble contact paper. She used a plastic water jug here. Looks like she's making a table. Oh, it looks like she might be making some type of table or maybe even a desk. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. And it even has a fake drawer. That is pretty fancy. That is cute. And it's a nice little like entryway table. Very cool. So here we have another table DIY. This one looks like she did like cardboard over the, not cardboard, but contact paper over the cardboard. And then she's putting the legs on here. Whoa. Okay, so she made two different variations. We didn't get to see the other one, but that's really cool. Both of them had like a nice little bohemian feel. And then here's a DIY coffee table. This one also features a water jug. I'm wondering how sturdy these tables are. Like, how long would they realistically last? I mean, it looks aesthetic, it looks cool, but I don't know. Alright, so here we have, oh, an artwork piece. Oh, this is beautiful. So she's adding some texture here and then painting it black. This is so simplistic, but it really looks high-end. Very cool idea. And you can elevate it even more if you wanted to add like a frame around it. Okay, so we have someone else making a table. Okay, she's burning some, what is this called? Is it just paper? So she's kind of doing like a paper mache technique here. So it looks like she's making, yeah, I was gonna say like organizers. That's pretty cool. I feel like this would also make like a nice table, like the paper that she used for that. That would also be like a nice material to use for like paper or even like artwork piece. There's a lot of ideas with that one. And then here we have another artwork design. So she did frame that one. We didn't really get a good look at the ending though. And then we have someone making a paper lampshade. Super fast reel. You can like barely see what's going on. So then we have someone taking those IKEA, I don't know what they are. Oh, these reels are so fast. I can like barely see what's going on. This is definitely a DIY. She put together a whole little entryway. So these are like basically all IKEA hacks. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video and were able to get some inspiring DIYs. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.